Hi everybody, I'm back to share my completed mini album. I'm so excited. I finally got it finished. And this is just a project share, this video, but I'm going to get a tutorial done for this particular size mini album. It's a very simple, easy album. There's not a whole lot of interactive things going on. So it's fairly simple. It's a great beginner album. And anyway, I used the Hello Spring collection from Echo Park. And these are some of the stickers I have left over. I did use a lot of the stickers on this sheet and put them in my album. The reason this album measures 5 by 6, and the reason why I did this size album is because I normally make 8 by 7 albums. This is one that I completed a little while ago. I don't have this one in my store right now because it's Christmas, and I just felt like finishing up a Christmas album that I had started. I'm probably going to put this on in July for Christmas in July, but anyway, I had chipboard pieces left over from doing like this size album, and I just thought, you know what, I don't want to waste any of my chipboard pieces, and I'm going to make all different kinds of sizes. So I decided to make this one. This is a 6 by 5 inches across, and the spine is 1.5 inches. I have a beaded tassel that I made, and this is actually one of my first beaded tassels ever. And I was watching a video from Scrap Diva 29, and she was showing her beaded tassels, and she linked a video to a tutorial that she follows. So I'm going to link that one below this video as well if you would like to head on over to that video and see how to create these. They're really simple to make, and they're so cute, and they're so much fun, really. And then I just tied it onto this Tim Holtz clip, and I thought these would be really cute to add to purses and or your keys, you know, besides our mini albums and stuff. So anyway, that just clips on here, but you can remove it and add it to something else if you'd like. This is the back cover. I have an orange ribbon for the closure. And this is the front. It says Hello Spring up here. I added some mulberry flowers and some green leaves. 3 buttons here, 3 buttons here. And it says, I was made for sunny days. And I have 3 layers here on the cover, so you could see it's dimensional. I'll kind of show it sideways. When I do the tutorial, I'm not going to decorate my album. I'm not going to do the tassels, so definitely check the link below for the tassel, and I'll put the link in my tutorial video as well. I'm basically just going to show you how to put together, you know, the basic album, and then you can decorate it however you'd like. Okay, so my first page on the inside cover, I just did like a flip page, and I will do this for the tutorial as well. There's a magnet inside here. It has a ribbon closure, and then there's a magnet on the first photo mat here, and then it's a very strong magnet, and it's a thin one, so you can't really see it. I get my magnets from an eBay store. I've been ordering them from them for years, and I can post the link below this video as well if you need magnets. But they come in just a little pack like this, and I order 50 or 100 at a time, and I'll just show you. They are, if you guys hear that cat meowing, that's my cat Watson. They're super, I mean super strong, but they're also really nice and thin for scrapbooking. Let's see if you can pick that up on camera. Really nice magnets. You do not, did you see how fast that just went? It sucked it back. They're so strong. I know there's a note when they sell these. Do not sit these near your cell phones or a tablet or anything like that, because the magnets are actually really, really strong. So I definitely will post a link below to that if you need magnets. But anyway, it has a ribbon closure, and then there's a couple flip pages here. And then there's a smaller mat inside to finish it off. Okay, so I'll show you how to make that. And then each page that I created, it has a side pocket for a pull-out. So this says, "You are my happy place." And I have a horizontal photo here from when I went birding, but it'll do the trick. This photo measures 5 by 3 3/4. So I just wanted to kind of show you all the photographs will slide easily underneath the embellishments that I put on. And then this is the first pull out, double-sided. And I made my tabs by cutting my scallop circle in half, and I'll show you how to do that as well. And I also have a tab video on how to make all different kinds of tabs from your punches and stuff. I'll link that below as well. And then this page, photo slides under, says sunshine. Then I have one of the rain boots over here. Photo will slide behind that. And then another cute pull out. And that just tucks right back in. So like I said, it's an easy album. It just has pages, pockets, pull outs. Okay, you can embellish it however you want once you're finished. But basically I'll show you how to put the pages together and the cover of the album and how to make your, your pull-out mats. It's just a fun, simple album. These are nice kind of albums to gift as well to people that don't really know what to do. You can stamp a little photograph on there, show them that they can put photos. These can be used for journaling or photos. And there's not a whole lot of flip pages, that they have to contend with and figure out. I know when I tried selling some of my albums at my craft shows and they had too much interaction, people kind of got confused, didn't know what to do with them, and pretty much just put them down. Even though you show people how to use them, sometimes if they're too complicated when you're gifting them to someone, they don't necessarily know what to do with it. So it might be easier, to make a simpler album to give as a gift. So anyway, those are the pages, and then I made a back pocket here, as you can see, and embellished that. And then inside I tucked away some of the cutouts from the paper collection. This would be a really nice journal spot. Photograph. Hello Spring. Photograph there, and it has a nice pocket. You could just tuck away, even more photos. Besides these 3 cutouts here, you could just tuck in more. And that's it. That's the back. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I am going to be starting the tutorials today. Hopefully I can get the first video uploaded for you guys to at least get us started on how to put the cover together. And then we'll work on the pages and the binding and the waterfall pages and stuff like that. So it might be like 2 or 3 separate videos. It's the first time I'm actually doing a tutorial step by step on how to put a book cover type album together, but it's a pretty simple one, so it should be fun. All right, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Any questions, let me know, and happy crafting.